think it's recording. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to JRsCorner. I am in Phoenix today, working on a friend's truck. Got ourselves a 1996 Chevy half-ton Stepside. This sucker is a pretty nice deal. Got a fully rebuilt engine, got some custom cooling fans in there. Suspension is all pretty new, VORTEC custom suspension, and then he's got the nice retro wheels on here. Some nice brakes that I actually did. Shoot, it's been a while now, but cross-drilled rotors, big old fancy sway bar to keep it stiff going around corners. Some coilovers, I don't know if you can see that. Just lots of goodies on this truck. I'm actually replacing all of the steering components today, just because, you know, it's 20-something years old. It's old. We want to make sure that it's going to last a long time and keep everybody happy going forward, and that all these old, worn-out, ugly joints don't give us problems. So that's what we're doing today. I'm just going to put it on. Whatever that term is. What's the term for going fast?
Oh, time lapse.
Time lapse. Time lapse. Yeah. So time lapse and everything. So just sit back and enjoy.